This is Matt, and this is a video on the Canva affiliate program. So Canva have now unfortunately finished the Canva affiliate program, the main affiliate program. It has been sunsetted. They apparently were paying commissions up until January 31st, 2024, as you can see here. From what I remember, I was in the affiliate program. From what I remember, it's about a 30% commission they were paying on memberships if people used your link and took on a paid plan. So what they do currently have is they have what's called the content creator program, which you can enter here. You can click right here and enter to apply to become what they call a Canvassador. So they've got the Canva community Canvassador program right here. So you can see the details. The link is this right here, public.canva.site/empower-canvassador-program. So that's a bit of a mouthful. I'll put that URL in the video description just below this video. So you can just click that link and find this page right here. So essentially you can go through what are the requirements where you need to live the Canva values. So you can check out what the Canva values are here, I guess. So they've got a whole load of Canva values here. Be a force for good, be a good human, empower others, make complex things simple, all good traits right here. Let's just go back. Where are we? So over here, you also need to be an independent creator, not a brand or an agency, have an active and engaged social media audience, etc., etc. So it's actually closed right now as I'm making this video. I'm sure it'll open up again soon. But yeah, the affiliate program as it stands is now called the Canvassador program. So it's slightly different. I am not even sure if they're still paying commissions and if they're paying monthly commissions like they were before. So this page, I'll leave it, like I say, in the video description, so you can just click the link and come back here. As of early 2026, when I'm making this video, it is unfortunately closed, but that's not to say that it won't be open very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for that. That was a video on the Canva affiliate program, now known as the Canvassador program. Hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.